Welcome to JH. Audiolex.top is an online platform claiming you can earn rewards just by listening to music. Because apparently, the world has finally run out of ways to pay you for doing absolutely nothing. They claim artists get to promote their songs while listeners can cash out with $20 for bank transfers, $10 for crypto, and $15 for PayPal, with payouts supposedly landing between the 5th and 10th of every month. It sounds like a dream, but is it actually legit or just another digital dumpster fire? Let's break it down together. First up is the website itself. According to WHOIS data, it was only registered in July 2025, meaning this platform is less than a month old and has the life expectancy of a fruit fly. When a brand new site asks for your time, or, worse, your personal details, that's not just a red flag. It's a whole parade of them. Some of their images also look like they were lazily copied from elsewhere, which really adds that special touch of "we didn't even try" to the whole experience. Then we have the support system. They do offer a live chat, but the replies are so bot-like and vague that you'd probably have a more intellectual conversation with a toaster. If you ever run into a real problem, good luck getting any actual help. This leads us to the complete lack of transparency. There is zero information on who owns the site, no company details, and no team members listed. I suppose if I were running a site like this, I'd probably want to remain anonymous too. Another massive red flag is the heavy push for referral links. This is a classic tactic used by shady sites that prioritize bringing in more users over providing actual proof of payouts. Currently, there is no payout history to be found anywhere. As for reviews, Trustpilot features exactly one review, and it's about as reliable as a weather forecast in a hurricane. Without any real feedback, there's no way to know if anyone has actually been paid a single cent. Putting all of this together, Audiolex.top raises more concerns than a suspicious bin offering free candy. It's too new, lacks transparency, has terrible support, and relies entirely on referrals without any solid payout proof. It honestly looks incredibly unreliable. My advice is to be super cautious before trusting it with a second of your time. Thanks for sticking around until the end. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates, and I'll see you in the next one.